What did you think of me shooting your wedding for you? I'm recording you.
You want me to be honest?
Yeah.
You kicked ass.
What'd you think about us coming to do your wedding?
Y'all did such a good job.
What was your...
was so great.
Thanks, dude.
You kicked ass, Jason.
What makes you say that?
Man, you were gentle in your guiding.
All right, now you guys, you're gonna stand close to her, but just don't step on her dress, okay? There you go, buddy. Evelyn, you're gonna do the same, sweetheart. Is it okay if I move you, Alex? Right there. Perfect.
You let nature take its place.
Can you push it?
That's not real, is it?
Yeah.
Hey, let's give that back.
No, he's good. He's good.
Hey, it's looking at me.
You just had a superstar persona coming with it. You know what I mean? Everything was awesome.
Who's ready to shoot a country wedding? Thank you, brother.
You were so laid back. You were fun.
Oh, you can't wink at him and not wink at me. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
I've done photo shoots before, and it was like, you go here, you come here. You know what I mean? What you did was natural. It was fun. It rolled into the heat of the moment, and it didn't disturb what I thought my wedding was going to be. And
I love that.
It was a great day.
This is before the ceremony. The brides are going to come out, and we're going to do some bridals here in the cornfield. Check this out. I'm just going to get my lighting set. All I got to do is stand there and just be beautiful. And what about having the other photographers here? How'd you feel that went?
No problem at all.
So what is a real wedding workshop? I come and shoot a real wedding. I give a discount to the bride and groom to be able to bring photographers to learn at the wedding.
Everybody that came with you was awesome.
So what I'm gonna have you do is you're gonna take your feet like this so your feet are pointed towards the corn. There you go. And then as best you can, pivot and move your torso, but then keep your head towards the light. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Was it easier doing a workshop than you thought it would be?
Yes, I was. I was a little worried at first. I was like, but it ended up being great, and I'm so thankful that everyone was here, truly. So they get a wedding at a discounted price. Photographers get to come and learn, and all of us win.
What was your favorite part?
I really liked doing our extra special ones, like the smoking stuff and the corn. It was such a good time.
You're an incredibly beautiful bride, and I'm so grateful we were able to work with you. I can't wait for you to see the pictures.
I can't wait. It's going to be such a good time.
So if you want me to shoot your wedding, which normally is going to cost quite a bit of money, but you want a great discount on it, and then if you're a photographer who wants to learn, this is what you do. Hey, Dean, how was your experience?
Real wedding workshop was awesome.
What did you learn from it?
Be creative. Take some chances.
What about you, Miss Keisha?
Don't be selfish.
That's true. That's true.
That's what I learned.
And what does that mean?
So don't try to be the hero and take shots just for you. Take shots for the couple that they're going to love forever as well.
Love it. What'd you learn, Jose?
Be patient and adapt to any situation.
I learned how to talk to the customers and understand that the pictures have to be for them and not for yourself.
Look inside.
Shut up. Oh my God.
That's a wrap. Your wedding's next. I've been doing them for over a dozen years. All over the world, they've been very successful, and I can't wait to shoot your wedding next. What are you waiting for? That's what I want to know, because this is an incredible experience. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that.